Hello my dear VLSI aspirants. Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Let's have another design challenge. Yes, this is a given design. The inputs are in terms of functions, not variables, functions. And in this design, they have given the output function also. But we want to identify, we want to determine F3 function. What are the minterms present in this? That's it. That's what the question. Now in this question, the approach is like, finally you need to get the output expression first. As per that, you can do either AND operation, XOR operation, or OR operation, etc. So let's find out the output expression F in terms of F1, F2, F3. Guys, here it is F1 into F2 whole bar and this F3 bar. Then obviously F is equals to F1 into F2 whole bar into F3 bar whole bar. By applying the De Morgan's theorem, you can rewrite it as F1 into F2 bar whole bar plus F3 bar whole bar. Then guys, the output expression is F1 into F2 plus F3. Okay, now guys, here F1 into F2, what it means? It is AND operation. Remember guys, F1 into F2 is F1 and F2. So here, for better understanding, you need to know about Boolean algebra Venn diagrams concept. Hence, we have given the link in the description. You can go and check, and you watch the video, you will get a clear understandings. Again, I am telling you, if it is F1 into F2, consider AND operation. If it is F1 plus F2, consider OR operation. Right? Even the same model, there is a similar model also. That also we are giving in the description. You can watch the same numerical model in a different way using XOR gate. Okay, let's enter into the solution. It is F1 into F2. We need to follow AND operation. These two AND operation means it is A intersection B. If it is A intersection B, we need to consider the common terms present in both the function. The common terms are only 5. Hence guys, it is sigma 5. Okay, and the output function is also given, that is F1 F sigma of 1 4 5. Then what might be the F3? Therefore we will get the output expression in terms of minterms as 1 4 5. Guys, here we need to find out this F3 now. Anyway, we have 5. It is plus means OR operation. If it is OR operation, we need to consider A union B. Okay, so here we need 1 4 5. Anyway, 5 is present. Then the F3 must be either 1 4 or it must be even F3 sigma of 1 comma 4 comma 5. It could be in any way, because see, it is OR operation. We'll take A union B. If it is sigma 5 plus sigma of 1 comma 4, you will get 1 comma 4 comma 5 only, na? Or else, if F3 refers 1 comma 4 comma 5, then 1 comma 4 comma 5 union sigma of 5. 5 repeated, so what? Will take only one time. Then it is sigma of 1 comma 4 comma 5. This one. Hence, in the broader way, we can conclude that for the given input functions F1 and F2 and F, in this way, the F3 function must be sigma of 1 comma 4 comma 5. You can take 1 comma 4 also, but here we are like giving in the broader way, that's 1 comma 4 comma 5. This is what here the input function f3. As per this design, you need Boolean algebra concept in Venn diagrams concept in Boolean algebra, must and should, right? So this is what here the regarding the design inputs combinations identification. See you in the next video. This is Shivaram signing off. Jai Hind.